How to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So let's begin. Before we proceed, make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have updated your Instagram app, then you may now open it. And then right here, what you're going to do is to simply click on this plus button right here found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then also make sure that your video is at least 1 minute, or if it is below 1 minute, then it will not be uploaded as an IGTV video. Then again, click on the plus button, choose the video that you want that is at least 1 minute, and click on next found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then now you may click on OK right here if you want to. And then you may either trim your video, you may also add stickers, effects, music, as well as text and scribbles. So you may also click on next, and then you may type in a caption right here. You may tag people, you may add your location, you may share it to Facebook. You may also click on advanced settings, and right here you may explore whichever settings you want to edit. And then now you may click on share found right here. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it is loading. So it may take time depending on how big your video or how fast your internet is. And then once you have uploaded your IGTV video, you may be able to see it in your profile by clicking on the lower right corner button on the screen, and then click on this button right here on the middle of your feed or your tagged photos or posts. So wait for it, and then again, you may be able to see it right here. So that's it. That's how you can upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.